In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mind Map in ClickUp 2026. By the end, you'll have a clean, visual storyboard set up with ClickUp's Mind Map tools, and you'll know exactly how to customize it so it works for your projects and your team. Start by opening the ClickUp website and logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll land in your workspace. On the left side, look for the Create option in the sidebar. Depending on your setup, it may appear as a plus icon or as the word Create, but it's in the same area. Go ahead and click it to open your creation menu. A menu will pop up with various content types you can spin up. Scroll to the bottom of that menu and choose Templates. This is where ClickUp keeps ready-made layouts you can drop straight into your workspace, saving you from building everything from scratch. Click Templates to open the library. When the Templates library appears, switch into the Whiteboard section. This is important. Whiteboard is the visual canvas that powers ClickUp Mind Maps and storyboards. Without choosing Whiteboard here, you won't get the right building blocks for a storyboard-style mind map. Think of Whiteboard as your blank stage, a flexible, zoomable surface where you can lay out ideas, connect them, and turn loose concepts into a structured plan. Inside the Whiteboard templates, look for the Storyboard template. You'll likely see a few options. Hover to preview them if you want a quick look at the layout. Pick the Storyboard template that fits your goals, then click. Use Template. A confirmation may appear asking you to apply it. Click Use Template again to proceed. In just a moment, ClickUp will load your new whiteboard with the storyboard structure in place so you can start working right away. You'll see the mind map loading, and then your storyboard appears. Give it a clear name so everyone recognizes it at a glance. A descriptive title helps people find it later and sets the context for all the content you're about to add. Don't worry if the canvas looks busy. This space is designed to hold ideas at different levels of detail. If you ever encounter a loading hiccup or something doesn't render correctly, just click Refresh. That quick reset usually clears things so you can keep building without losing any work. From here, you can begin adding practical elements to your storyboard. One powerful feature is the ability to create tasks directly within the whiteboard. When you add a task, ClickUp will prompt you to select List. Choose the list that aligns with this storyboard, so the task is stored in the right place and shows up alongside your other work views. Then, type in what's relevant for your task. A concise title, and if needed, details like what the frame or scene should achieve, who's responsible, or the next action to move it forward. The more specific you are now, the easier it will be to track progress later. You can move your mind map around freely. Click and drag to reposition elements, or pan the canvas to focus on a different section. Rearranging nodes is an easy way to improve the flow of your storyboard as ideas evolve. This kind of visual flexibility really helps teams when they're brainstorming or refining a narrative, and it's just as useful at home when mapping out big picture goals like improving family finances or planning a complex project. Styling matters too, especially when you want to make your map easier to read. You can adjust colors and font sizes in your boxes to emphasize key sections or to group related ideas. Maybe you color frames by status, or use a bolder font for headlines while keeping subnotes smaller. I'll change this one's color so it pops a bit more. If you like a darker look, black is an option as well. Choose whatever creates the best contrast for your board and your viewing environment. Clear visual hierarchy pays off when you're presenting, sharing, or just reviewing your plan later. At this point, you've done the essentials. You logged in, opened Create, went to Templates, switched to Whiteboard, selected the Storyboard template and so, confirmed with Use Template to named your board, refreshed if needed, added a task to the right list, typed in the details, rearranged elements to refine your flow, and adjusted colors and text so the mind map is readable and on brand. That's the whole workflow for standing up a storyboard using ClickUp's mind map features, and it's quick once you've done it once or twice. The beauty of this approach is how simple and effective it is. A solid storyboard doesn't just capture ideas, it gives them structure. With this setup, you can turn a scattered set of thoughts into a visual path from concept to execution. Keep iterating on the map as your project develops. Add tasks as scenes become concrete. Rearrange nodes to improve pacing, and tweak styling to clarify focus. You now have a flexible canvas that makes collaboration smoother and decision-making faster. That's it for today. If you have questions or want me to cover a related workflow, drop a comment and I'll help however I can. Good luck refining your processes and bringing your next project to life. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.